Hello everyone, today we'll be making a number guessing game. So first, we just import random. It is a module that helps you generate random numbers. And the next line we can write num equals random, which is using the module, dot rand int, which is a function inside the module, 120. It generates a random integer like the name suggests, and the number will be between 1 and 20 inclusive. Next, we type guess equals none. So the guess will be nothing right now. Now we're going to use while. So today we're looking into the while loop. It is a core control structure designed to repeatedly execute a set of statements as long as its condition holds true. The moment this condition evaluates to false, the loop holds, allowing the program to move on to subsequent lines of code. So here, for the condition, it is guess not equals to num. So as long as guess is not num, we run it continuously. So first, guess equals int input, and inside is the hint for what to input. And in this case, it's guess a number between 1 and 20. Next, we're going to use the conditionals. If guess is smaller than num, we print too low, try again. And then if guess is larger than num, then we print too high, try again. And then else print congratulations, you've guessed the number. So now we can run it. I'll guess 10. Too high, so let's guess 5. Too low, so 7. Too high again, so it's 6. And I should just write, congratulations, you've guessed the number. So this is how to make a number guessing game. This is all for today. See you next time.